Because of their unusual shape, bottles can be challenging to wrap. If you're feeling a little more ambitious than just sticking it in a gift bag or box, another option is to wrap the bottle, like a giant piece of candy. Roll the bottle up in a long piece of wrapping paper, so that there's some paper sticking out above and below the top and bottom ends. Twist the ends of the paper and tie them off with some string or decorative ribbons. You can also wrap the bottle in craft tissue. Take several large pieces of tissue and lay them out on a flat surface. Then stand the bottle up in the middle. Gather the tissue up around the bottle and tie it off at the neck with a ribbon. Or try the same technique with a large piece of colored cellophane. You can even combine layers of cellophane and tissue for an ornate effect. For a more traditional approach, cut a piece of wrapping paper large enough to cover the whole bottle. Tape one of the long edges to the side of the bottle using several small pieces of tape. Wrap the rest of the paper around the bottle and tape it again where the paper overlaps. Next, use scissors to cut 3 evenly spaced slits in the paper at both ends of the bottle to create 3 flaps of paper at each end. Make the slits long enough to reach the top and bottom of the bottle. Fold over the flaps of paper and tape them in place. For an elegant finishing touch, slip a ribbon under the bottom of the bottle so the ends meet at the top. Tie the ends in a bow at the top of the bottle and secure it in place with a piece of double-sided tape.